you.
Thank you.
Yep.
Thank you.
You guys can get started in just a second. Alright, you guys can get started.
Oh, this is too hard. I can't cut it.
Why is it hard? Keep trying, and I persevere. I can do this. I did it!
Oh, it looks really good.
Thank you.
So, what did you do on the weekend?
Play soccer.
Ryan, what did you do, Roman?
Alright, so the counselor is gonna come in and talk about perseverance. So we should be safe, respectful, and quiet. Thank you.
Alright, hey guys, I'm here to talk about perseverance. Alright, quick question. Who knows what perseverance is? Go, what is it?
Perseverance is when something's hard, never give up.
That is correct. Good job. Alright, so perseverance is when, like, let's say, here's an example. When I was doing a sport and I messed up playing softball, if I swung the bat and I missed, I kept going, right? And I want to talk about perseverance because it's really good. So, do any of you guys have, like, an example of what happened to you when you showed perseverance? Yana? I was cutting my paper and I got frustrated because I couldn't cut it. And I showed perseverance because I tried cutting it again and I cut it really nicely. Alright, good job. Alright, any questions on perseverance? Nico,
Why are we learning about perseverance?
because when you learn about perseverance, you know how to show it. And if something bad happens, perseverance is a way to show that you can actually keep going in life.